Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I am coming at you with my plan with me in my work planner. I filmed last week's, but I was just like all over the place because I hadn't been used to filming in these inserts. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out. I don't like show the full filled out version of this just because it does have a lot of work information in there. But I am going to go ahead and start planning. So I did do a flip through of this planner. And I went ahead and explained the sizing, and this is, I guess, like a personal wider. So it's like personal wide, but a little bit wider. And Jasenia went ahead and formatted these inserts to be a little bit wider than the personal wide so that it could accommodate this layout, and I really, really like it. It is a little bit big for this specific planner, but for the personal wide rings for the Foxy Fix that has the clasp, it works out perfectly. So I really, really like it, and I love this size. I think it's a really good size for my work planner. I do really like the A5, but I feel like it's not functional, like, as far as it might be a little bit too big for me. So I've been really liking this size. It's just enough room for everything that I need to put in for work, and I've been needing to plan a lot more for work recently, kind of like planning in advance, having a lot of to-do lists going. And if you watch that like flip through of my setup, you can see that there's like a lot of moving parts in that planner. There's lots of different categories that I go through and have for planning things for the shop. I like to plan ahead and have all my tasks organized by, you know, priority slash, like if I need to do ordering, like where I'm ordering from, making sure I'm ordering as many things from, you know, manufacturers as possible. So that is the Simply Gilded white with silver bows. I'm using the mystery kit. This, I brought home the ultimate. I think I was planning on using this in my planner, but I just honestly sometimes run out of weeks and then I start moving things around. And I'm really happy with using stickers in my work planner because I can use more kits that I might not have been able to use previously. I think I'm just able to cut this, right? Is that the thing? Let's go ahead and cut this in half. Is it half or? Yeah, I think it's the A5. I needed to cut a little less than a half, and I think this one, I cut it a little bit not in the half. That's like, this one's a little bit bigger, so I'm going to put this on the left side. I'm pretty sure I could just put this down then. Or was it that there's a little bit of overhang? There's a little bit of overhang, but what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and trim that. Of course, as soon as I sit down to film, Bennett wakes up from his nap. Okay, I'll take a break then, but I'm just going to trim this. And then I'll move on to the other side. I'll do this before I get back on camera, just so it can be completely done, but it looks so pretty. I went ahead, it's like many hours later. It's actually 6 o'clock in the morning and I haven't slept since like 12:30, so I just cleaned the whole house and now I'm ready to do this because I ran out of things to clean without cleaning our bedroom, which the boys are sleeping. So I went ahead and whited out the top. I also cut the bottom washi. It's almost comical like how badly I cut this in half, like, but I don't care. And I mean, I totally could just like recut this, but this just seems like a lot of work for my work planner. So I'm gonna go ahead and put down the date covers, which I already put down the date dots, which I use the date dots that are in my shop, the like squared off ones. And then I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the day by day. So much I need to put in here. I have so much to do because this weekend I will be away in New York and I'm very excited, but also like tired already, you know. If you ever plan a trip and then you're like, oh man, like I'm excited, but I'm tired. I'm gonna go ahead and put a glitter header, which I don't think I brought out glitter header overlays. I might just honestly go in and grab some like bow ones because I think the bow ones are really cute. Whenever you're just doing like one glitter header, I think it's really cute. So I'm going to just put one of each glitter. And then if you guys ever wonder what I do with all my extras, I put them in a giant declutter pile. I have like 50 pounds of stickers that I need to eventually give away. It's on my to-do list. It's just like, I'm like the worst with giveaways. Like I eventually always pick a winner and send it out. It's just like, that's never my priority to like pick a winner. And it's so like, I feel like it's so difficult to pick a winner because I have to like load all the comments and then I do this thing where I just like scroll through them. If anybody knows a better way, then like contact the person and wait for them to respond and then go like bring everything into work to ship it. But I need to get better at it. But like I said, they always eventually go out. It just depends on when it eventually is. So I don't want to like do more giveaways than I can handle at the moment. So I'm going to go ahead and do 3 checklists like I did last week. Because I feel like that was a good amount. Because I do have like a general checklist area where I put in all... Is Bennett up? Yeah, I'm going to go take care of him real quick. Okay, I got them taken care of. Bennett peed out, which whenever he sleeps more than like 4 hours, he tends to do. Because I think he pees multiple times in his sleep, so that was fun. It's funny the things that you do when your parents though, because normally we're just like, just put like a little like changing cloth over top of it and we're like, okay, we're going back to bed. We just sleep and pee because it's not worth it to like strip the bed, wake him up, him get woken up, and never in my life did I think I'd be sleeping in a pile of baby pee, but I've done it. Put these checklists in. And these are like for day specific things that I need to remember to do. And you'd be surprised that even though I do the same things every week mostly, I still forget. Okay, so that is in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and put down the full boxes and the full box overlays. I think I'm going to pull in 1 extra full box overlay just so they could all have something shiny, something sparkly. I actually kind of want to do like the 3 rows of glitter headers because I think last week I could have done it. That gets a little tight. I feel like I only do need like 1 thing in the bottom though. I kind of want to do it. How much would that take me? I feel like I would have just enough room, not even for like a half box. Let's not do that, I guess. I'm gonna just put these in here. I might just leave a little bit of room maybe. I feel like it's kind of a lot of room, but not enough room to like do glitter headers. I don't know why I just like picked that one to put there. I don't even want to use that one. I do like super select with the boxes and I don't know why I was just like, this one will do. At least we have undo. Which I keep saying I need to order it, so somebody remind me in the comments that I need to order some undo. I'm going to savor this and put it back here just in case the person who eventually gets this one day wants to use that full box, because there's gonna be a lot of full boxes. I was like, is there anything important here that I'm like letting y'all see? But no. Draft, kit, work at home, and then me whiting out the date. So let's go to these full boxes because there's lots of really good options here. So I think I'm gonna do those 4. I feel like I don't want to use just one of the girls, but if I had to pick, I don't know, it's hard. Maybe I'll use 2 of the girls then. So let's use 2 of the girls. 1 here. I like balance, so I'd either use 1 on Wednesday or 2. One on Tuesday, 1 on Thursday. So let's use that girl there. And let's use this one on Thursday. And then we'll use the Spa Water Relax one over here. And then maybe the eye mask eye cream one here. And then I think this one, they're the most spa-y. This one's a planner, which works, but I kind of think these ones are the best ones. Oh, that's crooked. Oh, cool, because I had the undo there. It was what came up very easily. Okay, so I have my full boxes. I'm going to put down these full box overlays. So I think I'll put this one here. And then I'll put the other one. Oh, I should put like a different one here, but it's okay. Put this one here. Do the chevron here. Sometimes I feel like I put clear things on like full choker kid, and then I'll put the other one here. And then I'll put a random one on the other girl. Let me see what I have. I think maybe I think I have some like relaxing like full box overlays, like a quote, because I think a quote would look cool on that too. So while I'm in here, oh no, put those back where they belong. I'm gonna grab some header overlays. So I'm gonna use these ones from Sadie's Stickers, and then I'm gonna see if I have any type of relax full box overlays. Should have something. This one says time to relax, has a palm leaf on it. There is a world where hope and dreams can let no. I will love you forever, follow your heart, love you to the moon and back. That one's sweet. I forgot I had that one. I think I have more in the gold when it comes to maybe you're capable of amazing things. I don't know. I believe in chocolate for breakfast. Yeah. Okay. Let's just do a regular full box overlay. So let's see what I have in here. Let's do this one. It's kind of like sketchy. I feel like the rest of them have that sketchy vibe. And this is a rose colored Days full box overlay. And we'll just go ahead and pop that on there. I'm gonna do these header overlays. They're just really cute, dainty bows. I've talked a bazillion times about how much I really like her bow. Very symmetrical, modern. Good amount of space between the bows. I like it. Trying to think of what else I could do this morning. I could kind of film a haul. I feel like I have a lot of little stuff and not all of it's stickers. I kind of want to look at my video schedule and see like what I need to film versus what I want to film. So there is that. I think I'm done with the full boxes. Let's see what else I'm going to put in here. So I need to put in that, what do I want to do? So I need to put in releases, and then my battery died. So I decided I'm marking my new releases with these squared off boxes because I only have 2 this week. Past couple weeks I feel like I've had 3. So I have new releases on Wednesday, which is Wiggle Wednesday, and then I also have new releases on Friday, which are just my regular releases. And I'm going to use a foiled icon for these. So for the Friday one, I'm going to use the SP, and then for the Wiggle Wednesday, I'm going to use this little like star thingamabob there. I'm also going to go ahead and put down the payday on Friday. Like that. And then as far as work goes, I'm pretty sure that I'm going to use these fancy labels to mark work. So I am going to be going to work. Actually, I should check my calendar, huh? See what's up for this week. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to work on Monday. Monday's the 10th. Yeah, I'm going to go to work on Monday. I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. And then I'm pretty sure I'm going to go to work on Thursday. So put that in with the pink one. Pretty sure those are the 2 days that I'll go into work, and then I leave on Friday. So I'm actually going to use, normally I don't mark like personal things, but this is kind of like a work event. So I'm going to use the little taking off, or just the little airplane. And then I'll use the little airplane, another one on Sunday for coming home. And I'm also going to do, yeah, I'm going to do that. Don't know what else I'm going to do. Yeah, I'll just put it here. For coming home. And then I guess for the event, because I'm doing a live plan with me, maybe I'll do this for the live plan with me here. And then underneath, I'll put in the event. And then for the event, I'll do, should I do like a little bow or a little icon? Maybe I'll do, let's do kind of like, where are my little icons? Oh, those are in my drawer still. Let's do maybe a little bow for the event, because I feel like I relate bows and planners. So maybe I'll do the bow here. These are our mini icons. These will be coming out very soon. They're like mini, itty bitty little, you guys can see. So cute. They're like pretty close to the size of the date dots. And you can kind of see it in comparison to the circle icon there. And I think that's everything that I need to put in. The rest of stuff I just need to write in. So normally I've been seeing that these are the sheets that I like kind of use the most often. As far as pulling from them, like after I like start my like initial spread, because I don't use that many stickers. Normally I use a mini kit, but I pulled the ultimate kit and I just ran with it. So I have the half boxes and quarter boxes page, the fancy label page, which I think someone's just using these for work. I don't think I'll be going to work in any other day. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those in my clutter pile too. And then I also have this page, which I use the deco like at the very end of the week and just put it randomly throughout just to kind of fill up any space rather than trying to like write random to-dos in. So I'll probably keep these two sheets and also my icon sheet in my planner with me. And I'll go ahead and pop this back in real quick. Actually, I have no idea where this was. Weekly. It looks completely wild with my planner though, just so you know. Oh, I did order a white planner, so hopefully that will look a little bit better with these spreads, but love it. It looks so cute. I can't wait to fill it out, which I'll probably actually take it back out to fill it out, but oh my goodness, it looks so pretty. But hope you guys like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.